Sid, matanong kita, when would be the earliest event that could discover this kind of...
Actually, Mayor President, I was studying, gumagawa ko ng paper. Yung part 1, binigay ko na kay Attorney Vic. Marami na akong binigyan. Yung mga kaibigan ko na mga advocates doon, health advocates, pinadagyan sa part 1. While I was making part 2, in fact, I have a meeting last week dapat kay Attorney, bago lang yan, a few days ago, kay Attorney Vic sa kay Peter Lavinia. Nung yun, ibas ko. Nakita ko, all of a sudden, na-remember ko yung Bicameral Conference Committee report. Kasi gaa-gaa lang tayo eh. Unconstitutional, yung education budget, talampasan ng DPWH. When I reviewed the PhilHealth budget, sabi ko, tingnan ko kayo yung Bicam report. Tingnan ko yung Bicam report because I want to know kung ano ba yung ginawa nila. Na-shock ako nung nakita ko. Pag open ko sa Bicam report, naku, may mga blanco. So, isa-isa ko. So, I made my study now. Ito na yung ginawa ko, Mr. President, na mga 3 or 4 days ago, nakita ko.
Ito yung mga